about to take me no minutes. Cat nigga can't even see me on winds. She about to fly, nigga, in this cat. She about to fly me no way out of here. She about to fly, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here. We fly this cat. Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they never me the swag. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, got a match, she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Taking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Crawl hard accessory, do whatever, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking niggas, look at the kid. Heard it, found them, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched on hundreds, bitches off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped a kid. I talk about the bundles, bitch, put on the crib. Bundles in the ocean, it's my 30 years. You know where I'm at, to the studio, man. I keep me no footing, no matter where I'm in. I have such an ass, I'm basic Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you have.
Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, good. All the time, oh baby, but all I do is think about the way you make me feel. 'Cause baby, I have a window seat this time. Would you feel better? And if I could, with you I will be forever, forever love. I'm really about to have to hurt this girl. She does not move from up out of my face.
No, you're not.
Your lips are chapped. Your breath is hot. Please back up.
Tell body please. One more time, I'm gonna fight
you. Hey guys, my family made it to Florida. We're at our grandparents' house now, and y'all, let me just tell y'all. Last time y'all seen me, I was getting my hair done. This is my hair. It's really cute, and I did it for me. It looks super cute. This morning, we got up at literally 3:30 this morning so we could make our 6 a.m. flight, and I was like, bruh, I was so tired. And then before I left, I literally had to throw up. When we were on the first plane, I had to throw up too. Couldn't throw up because I'm in the middle of playing. I can't hurry up and get up and rush down the aisle to use the bathroom. Like, I'm not doing it. And I don't want to throw up in an airplane. You know what I'm saying? Like, no. Feeling better now. And then y'all, our grandparents, they added a pool onto their house. So like, look at it. It's so cute, isn't it? And then they got that playground for us. We've had that for years. So now they add on the pool. So that's nice. But yeah guys, I don't know what we're about to do, and I'll see you guys when we're actually doing something productive. I'm about to push it. That's it. You gotta go. I'm debating on whether or not I'm gonna get in with her. But she has an attitude right now, so I'm not thinking about getting in with her.
I don't have it.
She does have attitude, and I'm not gonna get in there with nobody that has that attitude. I'm about to tie my hair up. It's getting all wet. I'm to get completely wet on my first day. Like, well, being bugs.
Right there. What is dead?
Okay, this probably not cute, but it does the job for sure. Hey guys, it is a little bit later in the day. I took a nap and now I'm up. And I just ate. It was really good. Like, it was really good. Now I'm about to put some curlers in my hair. Some curlers in my hair. And then I'll probably dip them in the morning. Me and Kyrie are sharing the room. And this time, me and Kyrie, we got the blue room. We never been in this room before. Usually we always get the orange room. But my mom is getting that room this time. So it's fun to try something different. Tomorrow we're going to the beach. And I'm super excited. I know for sure I want my hair curled. I don't know what we're doing none of the other days. So we're really just vibing and just finding our stuff together because I have no idea. I'm just in a whole nother state, just doing whatever comes. Like, I'm done. This is the only purple one that I have because all the pink ones I used. Alright, now I'm about to clean up our room. It's not that bad, but it's the fact that like we just been putting stuff in here. I just want to get it like more organized is all. Then I'm getting a shower because I'm ready to lay back down. You're so smart. You're so smart. Baby, I do what I gotta do. Hi, good morning, guys. It is the next day and I already woke up. I did my morning routine. As you guys can see, my lashes. This one's the full, but it's always one lash that just doesn't stay on. I'm about to fix these lashes and then my mom also wants her lashes done. So then I'm gonna go up and do her lashes. Super excited to go to the beach today. Right now it's not even 10 o'clock and we're supposed to leave for the beach at 12. I still have the curls in my hair. My mom has curls in her hair too, so whenever she dips her hair in like hot water, that's when I dip my hair in hot water. I don't know when she's gonna do that. I think everyone's starting to wake up because the house is like gradually getting louder. I don't know what the weather's gonna be today, but hopefully it's nicer, somewhat nicer than yesterday. Yesterday was a nice day, don't get me wrong, it was a nice day. But the sun kept coming in and out and like it would get windy a little bit. I hope that today is just more sun, you know what I'm saying? More sun, more bright, less wind, you know? Y'all, it's really June, like, oh my gosh. The only lash I have to fill, I'm liking the way it's coming out, so I don't think I'm gonna add any more to it. Yes, ma'am, so let's go upstairs. I'm gonna put my glasses on, and then we're gonna go upstairs and do my mom's lashes. I just got back with my ex. Want to say hi to my vlog, mama? Want to say hi to my vlog? You can say no.
Don't want to sign on.
I said, do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Of course.
Okay. My mom is up and awake. I'm about to do her lashes. Which one? Go in the bathroom right here?
Right here, son.
Yeah, give me love. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana.
I'm done. This one I like, the final product.
Got him.
Look at it, please. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, look at it. When you get the chance, let me know if you like them. Came here to check on my sisters. They told me a little story, and now they're okay.
We're not okay.
Sisters. They're so sweet.
This video better go up.
But
That was my 3 seconds of fame right there, and I'm gonna like the video just because I'm in the video.
girl, bye.
My 3 seconds of
She's
fame
so
right there.
smack. Like, brother.
I won't keep standing for it. What be going through your mind? Stay now past lies. Specs what I need, but don't get when in doubt. Baby, I won't keep standing for it. Dark skin chick, pretty light skin cool. Me, you were grown ass man. Baby, you were grown up. Grams, I'm tree how she fly like G5. Grown up. I ain't letting them think for you. Cheers when we drink. Oh yeah, cheers when we drunk. Oh yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you want it, you know I want it. Girl, I know you want it, you know I want it. But they too fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana.
Whoa, hold on.
She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can't just walk for being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it.
Alright, I'm about to take my glasses off, but they're already off. But I'm about to put them up and put my hair up into a higher ponytail because I'm about to get in that water. That's all I care about, that water. This too. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I know you want to, girl. Ride the bike like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong.
No, Robert Murray car.
Change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you.
Yup, this time my phone just got wet.
I know you want it. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I'll hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go through nothing without me. This is a blessing, Mashallah wallahi. I swear my life stories better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Happy birthday! Party like a bike, make sure you go in the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him?
Yeah, you're welcome. Happy birthday.
All right.
And you a hater.
Corinne is such a
Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh.
I ain't in it.
I never seen anybody do that. Wow. I gotta do that.
Hey guys, we're changing to our swimsuits right now. Kyrie's the birthday girl, and we're about to all go in the pool. We're changing right now. Kyrie, show them what swimsuit you want to wear. This is the swimsuit she's wearing. Yes, ma'am. And then I'm just going to wear my all black one. We're about to get changed, and then we'll see you guys when we're at the pool. Guys, we have these cute little cups.
I got the big one.
Kyrie got a pineapple because it's her birthday, so she had to have everything bigger and better. And I got the little beach ball. And we're gonna put some fruit punch in them. I'll put yours first. Show them your straw, it's so cute. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we have extra towels now?
Yeah, some more beach towels upstairs.
She wanna run me da 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 da.
That's what you look pretty is. I hope that you don't take it wrong.
We got 5 more!
5 more, because she's turning 9.
No, I haven't!
You're not ready?
We got 4 more!
Okay, we got 4 more.
Hey!
Alright, we got 3 more.
They say if you want to be the best, you gotta be the best.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Help me!
We not ready for the last one?
I am.
Alright, come up here.
Heaven, no! That's not the last one! Heaven, that's not...
Come here, guys.
You was not pushing me in a pool.
I'm not pushing you in there.
Heaven, you was wrong. We're not going to get in.
We got it right here.
Heaven, I'm sorry. Y'all better move!
Happy birthday, Kyrie.
It's not my birthday.
Happy birthday, Kyrie Marie. Come on. Alright, I'm done slinging her around. Hey guys, today is actually our last day in Florida. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. No one's up but me. I don't know why that is. I'm just up. Our plane takes off at 3, but we're leaving the house at 1. So I'm about to go ahead and start getting ready because we still have to pack up like all of our stuff and all of that type of stuff and clean. You know, just do all those type of things, you know. I'm gonna miss it. We're here for 4 days. I'm gonna miss it, but it's time for me to go back home. Okay, I washed some clothes, and so I'm about to go grab those. I just changed into what I'm wearing to the airport. And now I'm about to pack the rest of my little miscellaneous stuff. Just little stuff like, it's stuff up top of there. Stuff like over there on the side table. Just like little stuff like that.
Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fucking like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real, who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad, I started up a league. Fuck with me, you niggas can't trouble me from the double tree. Stepping sweets up. I get Oliver to set the beats up. 2021, I had to wet the streets up. Your girl was better in the morning like a slice of pizza. That's when I had to hit her with the nice to meet you. You niggas think you doing damage, you just hyping me up. Face who? I could see a wall of y'all, all of y'all, and run straight through. Trust it's all fun and games until I wanna play too. Adios mio, the ice is frio on that Jesus. It's bringing me closer to God. I'm already close to the mob. I'm already known as the GOAT. Can try and get close, but you won't. I already packed the garage. None of these shit.
What she gets to go in? No, not all of us. I don't think all of us get to go in, guys.
Okay, Carrie. Turn around. Cheese. Happy birthday.
We're doing great.
Say thank you. It's her birthday? Yes, her birthday. Can I say you happy birthday?
Yeah.
You ready? Count to 3.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's your name? Happy birthday, dear Kyrie. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, so we just went back home. Kyrie's here with me. And I just want to go ahead and end off this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. All I know is that YOLO, this life is yours, so make it what you want. Go out and try something new. Kyrie, not yet. Go out and try something new, experience new things, go on a trip. It's the summertime. Do something fun, do something different. And with that being said, I and I will see you guys in my next video.
None of this shit's a facade. None of this shit's a mirage. Thought I was seeing things when I was seeing green. 6 GOD. CMB.